Shmai, Joseph Chambers ydw i.
Shmai, Natalie dwi.
We are representatives of the Welsh Language Champions Group in Barod, and we're here to tell you a little bit about what we're doing as a group on Shmai Smai Day as an organisation. Together, we work with a group of our colleagues across the organisation to put together a Welsh Language Action Plan that covers things from recruitment right through to training of our colleagues and professionals and service users that access our services across Wales. And that's just been reviewed today, and we've done quite a lot in the last 12 months now. So do you want to give a flavour of the things that we've done so far?
Sure. So as Joseph said, we've done quite a lot so far as a Welsh Language Champions Group. One of the big things we've done is to implement a process around staff being able to access Welsh language training in their community. So we support up to 20 hours of learning that staff member can take out in work time, and we also support some of the costs towards that so that all staff members, whether they're Welsh speaking or not, can access some confidence building and some language skills around Welsh. We've also really promoted the online training course that is available, Welsh in the Workplace, and they've just released a second version, which we'll be promoting as well. We've also implemented Welsh Wednesdays, which once a month we provide some information or some anecdotes, some vocab around Welsh language or Welsh culture, and we put that onto our intranet system for all of our staff to enjoy and to comment on and to share. We did some Caffi Cymraeg on St David's Day, where some of our staff got together to have chats in Welsh and learn a little bit more vocab, or to help learners, and to share some lovely Welsh cakes as well. You can see some videos of that on our Facebook page. We have also been working on translating our education packages for schools in Welsh, and we're going to be working on the training packages for professionals as well, getting those translated so that you can access those in the language of your choice. We've also been running some bilingual campaigns on social media, which you may have seen if you follow any of our Facebook or Twitter or Instagram accounts. And we've produced some bilingual resources which you should be able to get from various services that we run across Wales.
Absolutely. So there's been a lot going on in the last 12 months. Still to come in the next 12 months, just around the corner for us. We've got quite a lot of things planned for you guys. You'll see much more signage in our bases right across Wales that are bilingual in English and Welsh. And we're going to be promoting even more the use of Welsh through all of our services, particularly to service users that prefer to be supported through the medium of Welsh. A cofiwch, os ydych chi moyn defnyddio'r Gymraeg yn ein gwasanaethau, mae hwn yn ar gael gyfer chi. Hefyd, we're also promoting our new website, www.barod.cymru. If you haven't been there already, check it out. At the moment, we've got the English side that we've been developing. In the coming months, we're going to be working on the Welsh side, so there'll be English and Welsh information available to you online, depending upon which language you prefer to access. And we're also working on some more Welsh language events over the next 6 months. Okay, so there's lots going on.
Lovely. So hwyl.
Hwyl fawr.